What's up, everybody? We are back at Hoover Dam once again for a very special America 250 celebration. We wanted to come down here and see the big flag, but they took it down because of the wind, but that's okay because they have something else very special going on tonight. There's going to be a flyover right through the canyon behind us here, so we're going to see what we can see, maybe get some good zoom shots of those Air Force jets coming by, and enjoy a nice evening and sunset down here at Hoover Dam. Let's go. So we're gonna walk up here and try and get a nice vantage because they're gonna come through the canyon this way. So we're gonna walk up here. There's a ton of people up on the bridge. I got a nice zoom shot showing everyone up there. And everyone's just waiting for the show. We got about 40 minutes, so we're gonna stake out a spot along the railing up here and help celebrate the 250th birthday of America down here at Hoover Dam. And look at all those flags they draped on the dam because the big one has been taken down. So got some little ones on the towers here to make up for it. But look at this view over here. We are on the river side of the dam here, so woo, look all the way down. There's the power plant and the mighty Colorado River exiting Lake Mead and heading downstream towards Arizona and California. And we already had a nice, awesome, informative video on the Hoover Dam. So if you want to go on the tour with us and learn about the history and all that stuff, I'll pop a link up in the video here and down in the description. Go check that out if you haven't, but today we're just here to enjoy. Let's go up here, get a good view. We're riding the rail right here. Check out the dam face behind us.
You can see it pretty good.
Yep, and they're just starting to turn the lights on. You might be able to see a little bit of color down there at the bottom of the dam. That's where they light it up. And actually over here by the outlets, you can see where the actual lights are set up down here. I'll have to zoom in on those too, but those are all the lights that are projecting the light show against the dam here. And there's just more and more people showing up on top of the bridge and a lot of people over here. Good stuff. Should have draped a flag across this thing and swung it out.
Oh, there they are.
Oh, there they are. You see it?
Oh, yeah, I see them.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Someone's out here coming up by the tower.
That's pretty cool.
Now we're gonna hit Boulder City and they'll be back at Nellis before we get the truck.
Really?
Yeah. They got
What's with all the smoke?
What's up? That was pretty cool. I think Mrs. Mojo actually got the best video out of any of us, right?
Yeah, we'll have to put it on the screen or
Yep.
something.
It was a quick one. They're supposed to be back out here in a few more days. It is windy as the dickens, but you can see behind us the lights are just starting to come on at the dam here. So we'll probably walk down there, see if we can get a look down the dam face here, and then maybe come back up and get one last shot because you can't really see the lighting just yet. You can kind of see along the wall here, the stars are starting to come out. Yep, and the power plant's lit up. That's the power plant, the top of it right in front of us here. And all the intake towers, starting to get those nice red, white, and blue lights on them. Let's take a little walk down here, get out of this wind. Everyone's trying to skedaddle out of here right now. Line of traffic trying to go back up into Boulder City here, so we're gonna hang out for a little bit longer. Other than the wind though, it's a beautiful evening. Cooled down a little bit. Rained a couple days back here, so we dipped back below the hundreds. Just enjoying a nice evening. Like I said, other than the wind. Go check it out. How cool are these intake towers here? And they got the flags lit up. What do you think, Mrs. Mojo?
I love it. My patriotic heart is happy.
Very festive. They did a good job.
It gets me excited for next weekend.
I wonder if the other side of the intake towers is lit up at all.
Oh, on the water? We'll go look.
And here we are back at Monument Plaza with the winged figures of the Republic.
It's the winged angels.
Yeah. Someone said that these things have 6 toes on them, and it was a sign, but we walked up and looked.
We counted.
We actually counted, yeah. And there's not 6 toes, just to let you know.
Only 5.
Live fact
Somebody
check.
doesn't know how to count.
Only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So myth busted on
5
those.
Tootsies.
It is still really busy down here tonight. About half an hour after the show ended, and a lot of people are still trying to leave.
People are still coming in too because of the light show, so.
Let's go take a look from the other side like we usually do at the Nevada side spillway.
Yeah.
All right, we are over here on the Nevada side of the dam, right up close to our intake towers here. Isn't that neat? So here's our 2 Nevada side intakes, and there's the 2 Arizona side intakes over there. Very neat though. And it's getting kind of dark, but you should still be able to see quite a view down there to the bottom of the intake tower. And we'll have to come back during the day and actually get some good shots to document where the water level is at. But like I said, today we're just out here enjoying ourselves, enjoying the light show and America's 250th birthday.
The countdown is real.
Yep. And look at the moon back here.
That's cool.
Beautiful, almost full moon tonight.
Over Arizona.
Yeah, maybe that's why we can't see the lights on the other side of the dam yet. It's
Yeah.
still quite bright over there, but we'll walk back up there at the end. Check it out. You can see the lights now. And on the side of the canyon here, the stars. No flag tonight though, and I understand why tonight because this wind is pretty brutal. And there's a look down at the power plant. Very cool though. And then look down the canyon, look how dark it is down there.
And they got 2 beams going up. I didn't notice that part.
Yeah, it's like pitch black down the canyon that way.
I know.
So this is where these 2 spotlights, that's what we're seeing in the sky back in the city. I was wondering where those were coming from.
Well, now we know.
Very neat.
Looks cool.
Maybe we'll go out to the
there
middle
it goes.
there.
It changes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's super neat.
It's a rotating show. Now it's all blue. Maybe go out to the middle here
Yeah,
and get a look
let's go
down.
over there and see what it looks like.
Walking out to the very middle of the dam now. Here's the flags on the pillars. They look small from way back where we started, but they are pretty big themselves. Still hoping we're gonna get to see the flag on the face of the dam before 4th of July, but this wind is not cooperating. Check that out. Now you can see the stars on both sides of the canyon here.
Super glittery.
Look at that.
I love that.
Ooh, feel that up breeze coming from here.
Have you ever seen that trend where people pour water bottles over and the
Yeah,
water
but
hits you in the
This
face?
is the desert. We don't waste water out
That's
here.
true,
So
but I think it's funny.
if you want to try it, you can spit. Come right back
no
in your face.
spit.
What a cool view, though. Never been down here at night, so this is really neat for us, too.
That's what I'm saying. They should just keep it up year round. This is cool. Just the light show.
And on the other side of the dam, there's the intake towers again. Very neat. All right, you ready to take a look over the railing in the center here? Check out this view. Whoa, that wind is so strong.
Makes my tongue turn.
And the stars moved from the side of the wall, and now they're down on the dam. Pretty cool light show. Nice work, USBR.
I got a cool video of it.
Very cool. And back this way, it's just pitch black. You can't see anything at all down here. Down the direction of the river. Look at that. Would be very peaceful down there, though, camping on the river. But what a contrast. Looking this way, you wouldn't even know that there's a dam in this canyon at all.
Like they have an agency calling shots. And that's like
Bam! Look at that view.
So wild. Look how cool.
Check that out. That's the best scene so far.
Yeah.
Oh, and this one
There
when
it
it's red,
goes.
white, and blue. Yeah.
But at least you got to
Very
see the
neat.
stars. They're usually on the canyon, and then they float from the canyon walls to the base of the dam there.
Good time.
Super
Enjoyed
cool.
the flyover. Enjoying the light show
Yeah.
out here. It's calmed down other than the wind. So real
Yeah.
nice and quiet out here. Everyone went back up into town because it's Saturday night. They were all talking about when the casinos and the bars are open until. So
Yeah, it was funny. We were
everyone-
overhearing people. We forget because we live here, so we forget that people come here for a vacation sometimes because
everyone
You
cleared
know.
out real fast. So
yeah.
we're going to get on up out of here too. And I will be coming back down. Try and get some good before and after shots during the day because I have some historic photos of when the dam was full on that Lake Mead side. So we'll try and get those lined up too.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks for coming along. See you next time.
Nighty night.